Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by PHP Frameworks team. I am Sanjay. We are learning node.js package development tutorial for beginners. This is our part number 5. Inside this video session guys, we are going to publish the package what we have developed inside video number 4, and also we are going to use this inside a sample node application. Inside last video, that is video number 4, we had developed a node.js package which is responsible to perform all these functions. Back to slide. Editor. Now inside this is the folder that we have created called npmjs-string-functions. Inside this, we have 3 files called index.js, package.json and readme file. Now here are the functions that we have developed, and this is the readme file with the documentation we have prepared now. Now we are ready to publish this package to our npmjs user account. So back to terminal, and if I check about the version, so this says npm version, pressing enter, 1.0.0, clear the screen, and firstly we need to log in into our npmjs user account. So the command should be called npm login. Pressing enter, it will ask for the username, password and for the email address. So this is owd-hub. Pressing enter, and the password is something like this. Pressing enter, and the email address, let's say onlinewebtutorhub@gmail.com. Pressing enter. Now we have successfully logged in into our npmjs user account. So if we want to publish this package, simply we need to type the command called npm and publish. Pressing enter. Now inside this processing, as we can see that our created package is now, and successfully we have published this package. Back to Chrome browser, go to our packages list, and inside this package list we can find all about the second package what we have developed. Now click on this link. Now inside this we can find all about the package name, its well documentation what we have prepared with the help of readme.md file, and all about its installation steps, so that what this package is, these are the values, how can we install, this is the command, and how can we make use of this. So these are the things actually we need to follow to use this package. So successfully guys, we had published at the npmjs user account. Now let's say that we are going to make a sample node application where we will see that how can we install this package and use the available functions of this package. Back to folder structure, go one step back, and let's say that, or instead of making a second folder, in the last video we had made a node.js folder. So why not actually, if we go to editor, inside this node.js, actually this is the folder we had created to test our first package, that is npmjs hello world. So if I open this file, and inside this, now this is the actual package we had installed. Now let's say that inside this same node application we are going to install our second package what we have developed. Back to folder, copy the path, back to terminal, let's say cd, go inside this folder. Inside this we have got index.js, node modules, package.json, and this is the temporary file what basically we have opened inside our code editor. So if I back to package documentation, if we want to install this package we need to follow this command, copy that, go here, pressing enter, and now as we can see that it is installing this package to our node application. Back to editor. Now inside this package.json file of this node.js folder we have now second package installed, which has a version called 1.0.0. Close this file. Now let's open about index.js. This is all about, that is how can we use hello world, that is the package we have developed inside our previous videos. making comment of all these lines. Now let's say that const, and we are going to actually import all the functions what we have developed inside our package back to documentation, and copy the first line, that is const all these functions from this npmjs, means our package. Now let's say that copy the first line, pasting it here. Now in this we are going to actually find the length of this string value what we have passed inside this function. Back to terminal, let's say that node and the file name called index.js, pressing enter. Now total value equal to 16. It means that the string value we have passed is 16 characters long, including white spaces as well. Back to our documentation, copy the line, pasting it here. Now this function will convert about the passed string value into uppercase value. Save these changes, back to terminal, again run that. Now as we can see, the passed string value is now converted into a uppercase value. Back to editor, copy the line, pasting it here. Now if we make change over something called lower, save this file, run this application, and all the values now converted into lowercase. Back here, and in the next, let's say findWord. Now inside this findWord, now inside this we need to pass two parameters called word and the string value. So the first we need to pass word, let's say web, and inside the second, let's say that we need to pass a string value, so online web tutor. If you save these changes, back to terminal, run this file. Now at the 7th number position, this basically the word start and exist inside this string value. So while finding any word inside the specified string, also the case matters. Let's say that we have here W is capital, but we want to search, let's say WEB, which is a lowercase value, then it will return -1. Back here, run this application, and as we can see -1, it means that the function is not capable to find the word inside the specified string value. We need to actually match the case value as well. So if we need to change about capital W, run this application, now we are getting about the perfect location. Now finally, the last function we have called to reverse a string value. So if I copy the function name, pasting it here. Now if I pass online web tutor, back to terminal, run this application, and here as we can see that we are getting about the reverse value of online web tutor. So clear the screen, run once more, and these are the expected output of all the available functions what we have developed inside our package. Now this is all about, guys, that is how can we develop a node.js package published to an npmjs user account, and how can we test those packages inside any of the node application we had discussed and seen so far inside this playlist. In the next video, we will see that if we want to use some more packages inside our developed packages about, let's say, operating system, and as we know that this is a core module, so how can we use core modules inside developed packages and use, we will see inside next videos. So inside this video session, guys, if you went out, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session, guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.